Hey guys, hello. Can you all hear me? Is my audio clear? Hey everyone, so is my audio clear? Can I get some yeses in the chat? Hey, hey guys. So my name is Christopher. So today I'm taking the live sessions for you. So today's session is going to be an option sessions, not a future one. So that's how we have scheduled the entire thing. Okay. So how are you guys? Are you guys happy about this week? Because we have booked around 2.3 percentage in options, and my team has given a lot of trades in futures. I hope everyone's happy right now. Should be a very good green week. That's what I'm seeing. Okay, so yeah, so we just wait for like 1 or 2 minutes more for the people to come, then we're gonna start. Okay, so meanwhile, I know a lot of people have doubts in option selling. So whatever doubts that you guys have, put it on the chat, so then I'll clear it one by one. Okay, for people who doesn't know, my name is Christopher. I am mostly posting all the option selling. Okay, and the futures is done by Midun and me mostly, and Akash also puts those trades, so it's combined. Okay, so let's see Ethereum. Let's go. Okay, so for people who have already started option selling, okay, so just a quick recap on the last week. Let me just take the charts. Yep. Okay, so it's a line chart and we are on a 4-hour time frame. Okay, so the last week was comparatively easier. Okay, so we had a huge impulsive move down. Okay, then we were actually, the entire week was a retracement upwards. Okay, now the market is basically into neutral territory. Okay, so it's still kind of like deciding whether to change the trend and go up or to continue the fall. Okay, so whatever you have seen so far is basically whatever is in the red box is basically a retracement. So now is a crucial point for the market to to see what's happening. Okay, now how to understand if this is like an impulsive move, retracement, it's all it's very easy actually. Okay, so this you can just search for something known as ATR or average true range. This is one of the main things that we use here. Okay, so if you have noticed, you see that it's always going up and down, just up and down cyclically. Okay, so when you see that, you see a point somewhere over here. Okay, so let me just mark some zones. Okay. If you mark some zones here, so what it's basically telling you is that move is done, move is kind of not done, move is over, move is about to start. These kind of clues is what we get from ATR. We'll never know the direction. Okay, so you see here, you see that ATR is cooling down or it's slightly sideways. Then you have an impulsive move up. I mean, ATR value is going up. That time correspondingly, you see that the price is coming down or there's an impulsive move down. Again, at this point, ATR is cooling down. So that's why I said this is basically a retracement. Okay. Now what's happening is you see that there is a lot of indecisions happening, or the market is ready to go into some direction. Okay. Now most of the time you guys might be seeing candlestick charts, right? Oh, sorry, this is Heikanashi. Candlestick charts. Okay. But why I give you line chart this time is basically to completely remove the noise. Okay, so you see we clearly know when the market is gonna move. Okay, at least we'll know approximate time. Okay, so you see over here there is a sideways movement. Okay, sideways movement. At the same time, I can't extend it, but at the same time when you look, you see ATR is cooling off. then it does the full movement. Okay, so when you reach the higher area, we know that the move is kind of like done. So what you can expect is retracement. So if the impulsive move is downwards and if the retracement move is upwards, we know the trend is what? It's going to be bearish. It's going down and it's retracing. So you have the move down, retracement, move down, retracement, like that. Okay, so easy way, we never need to enter in the middle or something. So the best time to enter is when before the move starts or it's about to start. Okay, most of the time I've seen that people enter when the move is done, or a lot of people will enter when the move is on a retracement. Okay, because this is not the actual move up. Okay, the trend has not gone completely bullish or anything like that. So that's why I would have put it a chat like the trend is now neutral. Now only when the trend changes properly is when I usually message like trend is now slightly bullish, or what I would say the trend is now bullish or bearish or slightly bearish or neutral, things like that. Okay, so right now we are on a neutral view and we have already sold positions for next expiry. Okay, so if anybody is new to option selling, what we are basically doing is not price trading. Okay, so when you're doing futures, you are basically doing price trading. You enter at 1,000 rupees, your entry point from 1,000 it goes to somewhere else in order to give you profit. Okay, so when you are doing option selling, you're not doing what? You're not doing price. You're basically trading a view. Your view could be the price will stay above a certain price. For example, price could stay above 2,300. That is a view. Price could stay above 2,200. Another view. Price could stay above 2,000. Again, another view. Okay. So you're basically having a calculated guess where the price will be. Okay. On that expiry day. Okay, so we are not doing daily week, we are doing weekly expiries. That means we are predicting the price or doing a calculated guess on the price for the next week. Okay, so all expiries on crypto, at least in CoinSwitch, happens on all weekly expiries happens on a Friday. Okay, Friday to Friday at 1:30 p.m. So this Friday is done because 1:30 p.m. is over. Now what we have is 5th December. You see it's in again in 7th. I mean 7 days. It's not exactly. It's a little less than 7. It's fine. Okay. Now so we have selected the 5th, right? So that is the view that we're gonna have. So we have already sold few contracts. So we have sold 2,300 put. So when we sell put, that means we are expecting the price to go up or we are bullish. Okay, it could be slightly confusing for people who have already only done option buying, but when it comes to selling, it is slightly, I mean, it's completely opposite. So put we sell if we are bullish and call we sell if we are bearish. Okay, that's how we're going to do the entire thing. Okay, so far so clear, so basics, right? That's it. Yeah, it could be difficult. Like one of the most problems that I've seen people asking is, you're just telling the view, how are you getting the money? Okay, so that's the beauty of option selling. So it's basically like insurance. Okay, so basically you need to think this as an event. Okay, so when you take in insurance, there is a company who's selling you insurance and you guys are the one who's being protected. Okay, now the only situation in which the insurance companies pay you is when you get admitted to hospital, right? Otherwise, only thing that you're doing is every year you paying them a certain premium, and if you don't go into hospital, they don't give you back. Similar concept is being happening here. So there the option, there the insurance company is the option seller. So here we are the option seller. So if the price comes below 2,300, you will basically have a loss. But till then, if the price is above 2,300, you don't have to pay anything. Okay, I mean, you will definitely get the profit, or that is the premium that buyers pay you. Okay, very simple as that. Okay, now there is few terms that you guys are missing out. Okay, one of the most asked questions that I've got is, what is net premium? Okay, so net premium is basically the max profit that we're going to get in a week. Okay, so if I say net premium is 1%, That means the profit for the week, or the profit that we completely book on expiry, is 1% of the capital. Okay, so we are trying to make approximately 2% per week, which is 8% per month. Okay, which is 8 into 12 percentage in a year, which is 96. Okay, so that's what we are trying to do. Okay, now when the market moves, we'll be having some kind of adjustments. That is what I put it out. Like I would say, sell this, sell 2 lots of this, 2 lots of that, like that. Okay, so whenever we do adjustments, if we are booking a loss, let's say we are booking a 0.5% loss on change, so our net premium from 2% will drop to 1.5. Okay, so then what we'll do is, whatever I'll be selling again will be giving you again a 0.5 or a 0.75% profit. Okay, so that's how the premium tops back. Okay, so when I change, I might make a loss. If I make a loss, I'll sell something else worth some other, a certain premium, so that it, covers back up or goes back to 2%. So always the net premium, I will always keep it above 2%. That's the plan. Okay, so now how to calculate net premium? It's very simple. Okay, put is long, call is short. Yes, once if you're doing option selling, you are selling put to be bearish, like anything that you have sold put, that is bullish, sorry, not bearish, bullish, and call is bearish. Okay, so for example, so we have sold Ethereum 2300 put, right? That means we expect the price of Ethereum to be above 2300. Okay, so 2300 put, so that's it. Now the price can be staying anywhere, like anywhere above 2300, we will get profit equal to the options contract price that we have sold. Okay, yeah, so this is more of a laid back approach. It's not like like in future you get a call, you wait, you enter, you instantly book. That's not how this work. Okay, there's less work here, more of a waiting game. You have to wait the entire week is our trade. Okay, one trade is not a trade. Okay, good question. What are the risks associated with portfolio mode compared to cross mode? If any, what mistakes we must avoid and points to keep in mind? Okay, see, portfolio mode is basically measuring the comparative risk. Okay, in cross mode, it's a fixed margin per lot. You sell one lot, it is 2000 rupees margin. But in portfolio, that's not how it is. Okay, if our risk on 2300 is high, they will charge a higher premium. Okay, for example, you see 2400. Okay, I click sell. Okay, one lot is charging 541. Okay, if the market falls a bit or little bit more, what happens is this strikes become riskier because the price will be close to 2400. So then this 500 will become 600. Okay, that is how the margin is changing in portfolio mode. The more riskier an option become, more margin it will come. So it's a fluctuating. So that is why I am not utilizing full margin. If you have seen that I am not utilizing more than 20,000 rupees margin, even though our capital is 50,000. So when I say 1%, I'm not saying 1% of the 20,000 or 4,000 rupees here. Okay, I'm always saying 1% of the invested money. Okay, which is 50,000 rupees. That is the ticket size here. Okay, so the rest 30,000 is just kept in order for the margin to fluctuate, or in case if we need more margin. Okay, so it is safer in that way, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, so I'm not actually using the full money. I'm only using like around 40 to 50% most of the time. Okay, that is because I do foresee in case if something goes bad, this portfolio margin goes up. Okay, but the lucky thing that we have is crypto is always open, right? So we can just come anytime and close the data. Close the all the positions. So there is no gap ups, gaps down like in Indian market. So that's a big advantage here. Okay, now one major advantage that portfolio mode helps us is that crypto definitely has a very high leverage here. Okay, so we can stay even further out and then sell. We don't need to come closer. I am not getting option to trade in INR on left top side. There is only one option price in USDT. That I don't think so. Visha Anthony, I don't think so that's the case, because As per ours is an old account, so anybody who has opened account recently will only have INR options. That's what this CoinSwitch people told me. Okay, so I don't think you'll be seeing it in USDT. So if what you can do is that you can just message HavenArk care. Okay, care number is there in the description. Okay, so if you message him the problem, if it's a technical issue or bug, he will contact CoinSwitch, CoinSwitch people on behalf of you and get it cleared. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it will be only INR. Could be a bug. Okay, as I'm increasing capital, they have been doing it with 500k. 500k is 5 lakhs. It's a huge amount at stake. What mistakes should we avoid in portfolio mode? There is no mistakes in portfolio mode. Just don't, even though if it's a 5 lakh, you will see a utilization of maybe like 2 lakh or 1 lakh. Okay, so just because you see there's a 3 lakh freely available, don't increase the lot size. That's the only mistake that you're going to do over there. Okay, so people will have like, oh, this 3 lakhs is just simply sitting there, it's unutilized, so I should start utilizing now. Okay, so don't utilize. That's the concept here. Okay, just stick to your lot size positions. It's there because like you're making already 2% of the 5 lakhs every week. Okay, so don't be greedy, just be there. Okay, here in option selling we are completely on consistency. Okay, so futures result will vary. Like some weeks could be extremely profitable, some weeks could be normally profitable, some week even could be in loss. So in crypto selling we want every week to be loss, but of a cap limited profit. Okay, so that's what we are doing it over here. Okay, so coming back to net premium, guys, can anybody tell me what is net premium? I think there's a delay in the stream, but so I'll just wait for a few seconds. If anybody know what's net premium, you guys can just let me know, else I myself will tell you. Okay, so I've just explained it a few minutes back. Okay, so latest view on Bitcoin BTC, because we are in shorts in BTC. Okay, so it says 1.2%. Yes, as of now the net premium is 1.2%. Leave it. Okay. So Bitcoin trend, so that's on futures, right? So we are on a neutral territory. Okay, so we are not bearish nor bullish. That's why we're giving you buy signals and sell signals in futures. Okay, it's being in a range. Okay, so I am guessing the trend will pick it up in next 2 or 3 days. By Monday it will start moving. That's what I have seen. Okay, so it says 1.2%, which is our current premium. Okay, so you see that I have sold 2,300, right? So I've sold it at $3.7. These prices are in dollars. Okay, so we get profit here when we would have ended at 3.7 and it goes to 0. That's when we get the maximum profit. Okay, so when I sold 2,300, okay, there's something on a transaction history. Okay, just go over there. So when I've sold, oh my god, where is 2,300? Okay, 2,000. These are expired contracts. See, when I sold 2,300, I got a premium. Like remember the insurance example, okay? So someone has paid me 56 rupees, okay? Now I only need to pay them back if the price drops below 23,000, okay? So I've got this 56 rupees. I paid 4 rupees approximately as charges, and I finally got 52 rupees credited, okay? Now I only need to give this 52 if the price goes below 2,300, okay? So this 52 which I have collected is called as premium. Okay, similarly I'll be adding of all the all the strikes that I've sold for that particular week. Okay, so if you add that, this is 52 plus 77, which is again fifth, plus 111 plus 57. What else is there? 57 is there, then 104. Okay, 104 plus what is there? 104 plus 45 is also there, I think. No, 45 is of the other one. So if I've sold all this, I would get a number. Okay, what is that number? Let me just add it. Have I sold anything before? 4,000 call is there. Okay, I'll just add it for you guys. So this is not time specific. Okay, we have enough and more time to start portions. So first one is 4,000 call, which is, let's take 105. 105 plus, then 2,000 put we have sold, which is 103 plus. This is not there. Why I'm not counting this is because this is of 28th expiry. We only want 5th. This is over. Okay. Then again 104. Oh shit, I can count 5. Never mind. 1 rupee will leave. Okay. Then there is 57 plus 111. Let's take 112 to compensate somewhere. Then we have 77 plus 77. Then we have 52. Okay. When we have 52. Yeah, that's it. So once I add all this, I get 610. Okay. So 610 is the premium collected. Now my capital is 50,000. So how much is 610 of 50,000? We need to get in percentage. That will be approximately 1.2 percentage. That is why these guys are Sujit and Cookie Boy is telling me 1.2 percentage net premium collected. Okay. So basically, if the price is over here, like between 2,300, which is our nearest put. Okay. So our view is price will be about 2,300 and below 4,000 call. Okay. Or 4,000 call, we get 1.2 1.2 percentage profit, which is 610. So if we are targeting 2 percentage, we just need to sell options for 0.8 percentage more. So then it will become what? It will become 2 percentage. Okay. So let's do that right now. Okay. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell one lot of 2,300. Okay. Now anybody who's new to order execution, this is what you need to do. 2,300, go and click it over there. Okay. Make sure you are on sell. Don't buy, guys. Okay. If you're buying deep out of the money options. So that means you're betting yourself that the price will drop below 2,400 very fast. Okay. Now click on limit. Okay. To enter, we can always do a limit. If you are to exit, just go and exit it in market. You can just click exit, market order, just click confirm. Okay. Now entry, it's at 3 rupees. Okay. So if we sell 2 lots of this, okay, which is having a higher margin. So remember 2,300 only had a 500. Oh, it's the same margin. Okay. Both of them are of the same risk. So that's same margin. So let's sell 2 lots of this. Okay. That's costing me 1,000 rupees as margin and I'll get 56 rupees as profit. So remember the 610, the 610 plus 56 will be the new net premium. Okay. So it's too low. So I'll just add little bit, little bit more. Now, remember last time we finally had 17 positions, right? So I'm basically selling it as the market moves. Okay. So that's how I would sell one lot of this, again, one, like that I would add. Okay. How to calculate lot size if I have 2 lakh capital? Good question. See, earlier I was trading on a 10 lakh account. So a lot of people had a problem. So that's why I reduced it to 50K. Now, if you are on 2 lakh capital, if I sell 1 lot, you need to sell 4 lots. That's why I'm doing it right now. I'm trading on a lower account so that you guys can multiply, the quantity. Okay. So it's going to take 2-3 times. Like if it's 2 lakh, if I sell 1 lot, you sell 4 lots. Okay. Because it's a 4 multiplier. Okay. If it's 1 lakh, just double the quantity. Okay. Just give me 1 second, guys. Yeah, sorry, someone just came to the place. Okay, never mind. So that's how you need to increase with the capital. Okay, percentage wise it will be the same. So if I say 1% on 50K, even 1% on 2 lakh, it's going to be the same only. Okay. So let's sell this. I want to sell 3 lots. Okay, 3 lots sold. So you can see that 2,400 put is there. That is giving me a profit of 84 minus charges 78. Okay. So I'll add 610 plus 78. So my net premium will become 688. Okay. Now I can just sell 2,300 also, but I'm going to sell only 2 lots. So if you see, I am pyramiding it. The higher quantities are on the back As it comes closer, I'm selling it on a lower quantity. This was 3 lots. Here I'm selling 2 lots. Okay. Sold. So this is, so 2300 is how much quantity? I think it's 10 or something. See, it's 0.4. So this is 4 quantity. This is 3 quantity. This is 2 quantity. If the market moves up, I'll sell 1 quantity, 1 quantity, like that. That's how we end up with selling the entire option option strike. See, in India market, we basically sell the entire option chain in different quantities though. Okay. So I've collected how much premium? So I've collected an 82 more. So I'll just add it. 06. Okay. 88 plus 82 I'll add, which is 770. Okay. We need to reach 1000 in order to make it 2%. Okay. So now, oh my God, I'll have to sell 3600 at least. See, I'm not selling 1.1 because even if I sell 1 lot, I'm getting 10 rupees. I'll need to at least sell 3600. Okay. I'll sell 3 lots of this. Okay. 3 lots of this is giving me, let's sell 4 lots. Give me 112. Okay. So get highest, I'll sell 100 and okay. See, the trend is neutral. Okay. So I'm going to sell both put and call. If it turns bullish, then I'll change accordingly. Now I sold 3600. That is giving me a profit of positions, transactions, 104.9. Okay. So let's go to 105. Now I've reached 875. See, there is no exact rule to sell, sell whichever quantity that you select. You sell enough so that it is so far out and also you collect 2% premium. I need to add 125 more. Okay. But I don't want to sell it too close. That's bad. Let's add a bit over here. 2, 3. Okay. That's 3. Okay. So I'll add 3 more lots to 2400. Okay. And I'm selling 1 lot, just 1 lot of 2600. Okay. So, okay. I'll put the full position screenshot in the chat. Okay. So that you guys can copy it properly. Okay. So I just have to add all this. Now I have crossed this thing. Okay. So last we added is 105. Now these two are the 2 things that we have added. So plus 73 plus 78. So 1026 is approximately the net premium total. So in terms of percentage, that will be 2.05. Okay. So now we have collected 2.05. Okay. Now I'll just show you how this looks in the graph. Okay. Then I'll take the questions. Okay. See, 2600 is our nearest and 3600 is our call. Okay. Let's go to the chart. So I'll just, first I'll draw these things. Okay. See, we are trading for next week, right? So that's December 5th. Expiry is at 1:30. So this is where our timeline is. So we are predicting it over there. Now 2600 is here. This is 2600. And 3600 is here. Okay. See, now the thing a lot of people mistakes is everybody thinks, so this is also 600 points up and this is 400 points down. Okay. But we need to measure this in terms of percentage. We can't say, we can't always take it as, in terms of number. So what we can do is that there's something known as price range. So if you take that, we can measure it in percentage. So it takes approximately 18% to reach our 3600. And what is the price drop? It takes approximately 14% down to reach our nearest put. Can you say how many lots is 2400? Okay, just give me, where's my stuff? 2400 is 1 lot if I'm correct. No, sorry, not 1 lot. So 2400 net right now is 6 lots for a 50K. 10K capital, it will be tough for you to do option selling. You'll have to do the future one. Okay. Yeah. So 2400 is having net 6 lots or 0.6 Ethereum. Okay. That's the one. Okay. Let me just put a screenshot. Okay. Put a screenshot so that you all can get it. Guys, there will be 2 pages, okay? So please check the net quantity and whatever is missing, just entire do it. Okay. For fifth DEC, page 1. Page main 1 means the first one, and 1300. Just make sure your net premium is around 2% right now. We have collected it. And we can do more than 2%, but I want to stabilize it at the order. Okay. So for Discord people, I'll put it over there. Okay. So you guys can check in any place that you like. Give me 1 second. Okay, so the full portions as of now is being put in Discord and in Telegram channel, so you can just check whichever one you're comfortable with. Okay, so yeah, so coming back to the charts. Okay, so you see, so this is our area. Okay, so right now we have casted a net saying the price will be here. So this is a 4-hour chart. Okay, so we don't need 30 minutes and all. It's 4 hours more than enough. Okay, now as the price moves, I'll be changing all this. Okay, if the price is moving up, most probably I'll be deleting this upper limit and moving it up like this. Okay, so I'm just we basically don't need much of charts to do option selling, but I feel that it's easier for you guys to connect with the entire procedure, because all the big pros will be able to understand instantly, but we'll get there, guys, so don't worry. So I'm there for you guys to make sure that you understand all these things. Okay, so that's it. That's the positions for this week. So we have collected 2%. Now we just need to wait. Okay, so as long as it's between this box, like the saying goes, we'll get 2%, right? Okay, so yeah, so I guess earlier when we were in cross mode, right, so we had a lot of adjustments in portfolio. Our profitability is high, and we're gonna have less losses. That's what that's what I see. Okay, it has slightly become, not slightly, massively becomes easier to trade compared to the cross mode margin. Now if we want to collect only 1%, this becomes extremely easy. Okay, 1% option selling is so easy right now. Okay, so 2% is something that I'm looking at. So I feel that that's a very decent return per week. Okay, not very decent, I think it's extremely high. If you guys want to reduce the percentage of money that we are making, please do request. I'll do that also. Okay, but I'll not be increasing it. Okay, 2% is enough. Okay, so any other doubts that you guys have? So the full portion I put it in Telegram, you guys can check it out. And yeah, this is how we look visually. Okay, yeah, so the trend is right now neutral and it'll change soon. Okay, so the futures trading, I don't know what Midun has given recently. Let me just check. Midun has given what futures? He has shorted Bitcoin. Okay, could be he's expecting a trend reversal down, right down, because I told see, if you look, I have put the ATR side around, right? See, ATR showing the impulsive move. The first part is showing the impulsive move. Okay, see that impulsive moves down. Okay, the up one is what, the one that's following. I want you guys to see this and this together. Okay, you can see this is the retracement. ATR is cooling down, the move is up, so it shows a retracement. Now ATR is in a very low area, so that means that the move is about to happen. So since the impulsive move was down and retracement is on up, logically it should be down, so we have a short portion over there. Okay, so let's see if stop loss hit, let it hit. Okay, no problem. So we already have enough and more profit. How much percentage are you guys up? Any clue? Like, I know options is 2%, but futures, I'm guessing this week should be higher than options right now. Can you guys tell me what percentage? Midun was telling me approximately 9 to 10. So if you guys are somewhere over there, anybody over there? I don't know if you guys are doing proper position sizing on this, because if you have noticed, all our wins, all our losses are of approximately the same amount. That's because we are doing something known as position sizing. Okay, I'll show it to you. See, for example, even though okay, the trades are not on this account. Okay, so that's why you guys are not seeing it here. So you see every loss that we hit, right? So we would size our positions in such a way that even if the stop loss is 50 points or even if the stop loss is 100 points, both of them, even if it hits, it will be like a same 1,000 rupees loss. Okay, that's what. So that's one of the core core ideology that we have in HavenArk. All the losses that we hit will be approximately the same amount. Okay, so now in our account that we trade, he has we have put more money right now. So that means now every stop loss is going to be approximately 5,000 rupees. That's what it's being changed. And when we are doing altcoin, right, we are only like one stop loss is going to be maybe like 0.1 or 0.2%. We don't risk much over there. Okay. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana go with the full risk or the normal risk. Everyone else go with like 1/4 of the normal risk. Okay. That's the general convention on how to do all this. Okay. Any other doubts regarding option selling, guys? I'll take it. Okay. So we basically have a waiting game right now because nothing much to be done. Okay. So we have sold it. Let's say we can sell the entire option chart. We can. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. So that's it, guys. These are our positions. Any doubts that you guys have, you can message me personally in Discord. No problem. You can message Ritvik, you can message Akash, or you can message Midun. No problem. We'll be there here and there. Like even if they don't know, they'll be telling us. So we'll answer it for you. Okay. Charges. How much capital is required for option selling? You need 50k. That's 50,000 INR. Okay. Because we do it in multiple. You can't have a 75,000 capital. That will be slightly difficult. It has to be a multiple of 50k. So 50k, then 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, something like that. Okay. Charges is more in futures or in options. Futures is having more brokerage charged than in options. Okay. So we have to hold BTC shorts or not. Hey, calm down, equity. So you have a stop loss there, right? You just place stop loss and just leave it. Okay. So I'll show you how, like, you guys can, let's say I'm putting BTC. What is the current rate? Okay. It's already gone up. Let me see how much it is. What's the trade? I have that account here. This is Akash Jain's account. The trade's going in my personal account, slightly flipped. Okay. So Bitcoin is, actually it's in a profit of 2,000 rupees. Okay, I'll just put a limit order and show you how to do it. So what's a trade? Okay, change it to limit. The entry is this is BTC INR. Is it BTC INR? Futures prices in INR. Okay. So the entry was 86,10089. Okay. This was the entry. Okay. Then okay, stop loss. So what you guys need to do is there's a button called TP/SL. Click on it. So if you tap on this, it will change it to stop loss. Okay. Wait, stop loss. I think is it CTC right now? No, it's not. So stop loss is 8,666,922. Okay. See, this is my stop loss. So once you enter all this, you can just tap the quantity. Okay. So wait, I don't have a 10,000 bucks here. Okay. See, if the order value is, let me put it in Bitcoin, 0.01. Okay. So if the order value is 0.01, it requires, oh my God, use full leverage. Okay. So if the order value is 0.01, you see margin is 993. The stop loss is, if it hits stop loss, you're going to lose 567. Okay. So you see, there is a like a lot of guys have doubt, like if we increase or decrease the leverage, the risk will increase. Okay, if you are doing position sizing, it will not increase. Okay, so even if I put this as like 50x, confirm, the risk is 567. Okay, even if we use it, margin will increase. Like you see, now there's a 1800 rupees margin required. Even if I put the 100x, risk is still 567, but the margin have decreased. So that's how leverage works. Okay, leverage means the margin required will decrease. That is all. Okay, now a lot of people, what they do is, if they have a 10,000 rupees account, instead of position sizing at this, they use the entire 10,000 rupees. Then this becomes a 2,000 rupees risk. Okay, so I have decided that I only want to lose 5,000 rupees. So you can do a trial and error here. There is no wrong with it. So I would enter whatever quantity that I am comfortable with, so that if it hits stop loss, this is this much money only I'll lose. You can use 100 leverage, 1000 leverage, nothing, no issues there. Okay, you are not going to have more loss, provided you do position sizing correctly. Okay, so once you have entered like this, just click short, because this is a market price limit order, but you usually enter at market, you ship it to market, and you go click sell. That's it. Okay. Now I'll take questions again. 10k for options. 10k is good for futures, not for option selling. Screenshot of entire position is done. How much capital is required for options? 50k INR. Charges, which I've already called. Yeah, so we don't. So equitypedia. That's what I was going to tell. So see, you can hold the short. So because you already know, like we already know, if it hits, we are going to lose 1% or 0.5% of the capital. So just let it go. That's it. 25k again, tough, man. I would suggest 50k. It is not closed in my account. See, this is not that account. Okay, so I have it in another place. That is still running. It's actually running in profit. Okay, this is not the account. I'm just showing. This is an option account. So we trade option in the separate account, future in another account. That's why. Wait, I might have that account here. Let me just see. Okay. So two different accounts. Yeah, I have it. Okay. Futures INR. Futures INR. This is the account, right? Okay, yeah, I got the account. Can you guys see my screen? Okay, wait. Now I'm not able to see this. See, BTC is running. You see? Okay. So if you have noticed, see the stop loss is 5,000. That is because our new 1R is 5k. Okay. So this is the future account. The one behind is the spot account. Okay. Sorry, not spot. Future options account. So that's how the trading works. That's how we are trading. Okay. So as of now, we are not keeping stop loss in option. No, we are not. We are doing something known as counter hedging, which is like we have a call hedge and for a put each other. Okay. Something comes up, I'll just come and close. Okay. I'll be, because the markets always happen. Okay. We have till 25x. Use only 5x. Okay. Don't use, because risk very less in other coins. Oh, you have only 25x because your volume is less. Okay. So we have traded more than you, then they will unlock it. Actually, I got confused because it was not showing in our. Okay, yeah, got it. Yeah, so 25k for options will be tough, man. How much time do we need to replicate the positions? Would be doing it later give lesser profits. It would give lesser profit if the market has moved a lot. Okay, otherwise it will be slightly in and they're the same. Okay. Okay, so that's it, Pukal. I hope it's there. Else, Pukal, message me in Discord. How is Akash? No, he's down with pneumonia, unfortunately. So sad about that. He should be good in like 1 or 2 days. Okay. Ideal liquidity percentage one should see. So we usually don't like if you have done the position sizing wrong, your liquidity price will be like you put your stop loss at 80 rupees, but your liquidation price will be at 90. That means before hitting stop loss itself, you will liquidate your position. So that's why you need to do position sizing. How much do you risk per risk in futures per trade? We risk 1%. Okay, that's how it is. Yeah, so I hope everyone's clear. The future is running, option is running. I hope everyone is getting profit. Okay. No questions, just a huge gratitude to all the efforts and guidance means a lot. Thanks, man. Thanks, Dinesh. So we'll try to put our best out there. Okay. For 1000 risk, I get 130 charge. What is 130 charge? Is it the brokerage? See, brokerage is on the total value. You have put leverage in. That's why your margin is reduced. Okay. That's how the calculation goes. Okay. Someone says hi. Yeah. So we are kind of like towards the end of the stream. Yeah. Hi. So anybody who missed out the positions, position initiation in the beginning, just watch the video again. Okay. Yeah. So wait, we are trading Ethereum. Okay, for option selling because the margin is slightly lower on Ethereum than Bitcoin. Okay. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's all for this week. So for option selling, I'll tell you the schedule of live again. Monday to Thursday, it's going to be the futures. It will be at 6 p.m. Okay. 6 p.m. Monday to Thursday is going to be the futures. And Friday, I'll be coming to do the option selling side. There's not much for us to do in option selling. It's just a waiting game till 5th December. Okay. What are the leverage for minor coins? I think it's 4x and 5x for all the minor coins. Ethereum, Bitcoin, I think you can get it up to 100x, provided your capital and volume increases. Till then, for your protection, it's only 25x. Okay. Yeah. So that's it, guys. So happy weekend to all. Enjoy your profits. Okay. Don't party too hard. Come back on Monday. I mean, to attend the live and just continue all these things. Okay. So that's it, guys. See you. Bye.